Alright, so this is a life hack for goldfish. Okay. All you're gonna need is some goldfish, a zipper bag, and some scissors. Okay, so if you ever had goldfish, you open them, then you do, can't open this, god dang it's hard. And then you rip it, and then it's like all of that. And then I know. That, and then like somehow you rip the side like that, and you're like, oh no, it won't close. Alright, so this is how you're gonna fix it. So you're gonna take a zipper bag, you're gonna open it, you're gonna take this, you're gonna pour it in right here. Then you say, well, how are we gonna know what goldfish is if it's not colorful? And it's like, just check. Well, that's why you need scissors. So you're gonna take the goldfish bag, that little label right here, the colorful one right here. You're gonna just cut that out. There you go, right there. And you're gonna put it right here. And you're just gonna put it in the front of the bag. So, there you go. That's one life hack for goldfish.